All right, so we are headed downtown for rehearsals. We are seeing everybody that's pulling in from all over the world right now that is speaking at our Go Diamond Summit tomorrow morning. So see some of the gang, make sure all the audio, visuals, everything is just ready to have a great day tomorrow. It'll be bright and early. I think we're gonna be there like at 8, 9 a.m. to kick off this event. Am I going on Biscayne Boulevard or Miami? Biscayne, all right, cool. So yeah, look bro, we back here in downtown. Y'all saw the Houston views for quite some time, but we are officially back home in the MIA. Feels good to have our first home event that we've done for Akashx since like we first got this thing started, so more to come. It's just the vibe for everybody that's coming down, you know?
Hey, how we doing? What up, what up?
Hello. How you doing?
How are you?
We're in your city.
Come on, y'all feeling good. How are you?
I live where you vacation.
I know, literally.
Yo, this guy started hitting the gym and he walks around in a wife beater now. That's
Everywhere he go now. You can go see the shirt off the entire crew.
That's wild.
If he could go no shirt now, he would. I
Justin
promise.
Timberlake 2002.
What up?
I know you look good, bro, but a wife beater is crazy.
It's black.
Thank you. Did you get taller?
Yep, taller, skinnier.
Hey. How are you?
He looks like a whole new man.
What's up?
Right, you're so nice.
I have a new upline.
Good, good.
I had to reinvent myself.
This is what you call I transform.
I transform
In real
worldwide. It's event day. We here. We are T-minus less than 30 minutes away from showtime. Yo, that's my guy right here.
What up?
What's up, champion?
What's
Number
up?
one.
Hey, we're winning again. Sebastian was like, you guys are not winning today.
It's about that time.
Residual income. Now, that skill that we make some noise. Let's give a warm welcome to Rich Vendiga.
Miami, what's going on? Let's make some noise. How we feeling? How we feeling? Is everybody good from lunch? Did y'all have a good lunch? All right. On 3, I need you to say Akashx. 1, 2, 3. Man, it is such an honor to see how far this company has come. The person that introduced me into this platform, the person that gave me a call to say, hey, I want you to check out this platform. I want you to become a part of something that we are launching that is gonna change the trading and network marketing space. Can we make some noise for Anthony Waseska right there in the back, man? Let's go. I am now 30 years young, so I haven't stepped into what you will say is Unk territory, which is pretty crazy. I don't know, I still think I'm big bro, but whatever. Some people say I'm Unk. You know, doing this trading thing really since 2018, so it's been a very, very, very long journey, learning the basics, blowing account after account, finally understanding, yeah, you're gonna go through that, it is what it is. But eventually, you guys start to realize that, man, persistence is absolutely everything. And if you have a dream, if you have a goal, and you're absolutely willing to do whatever it takes to get there, your time will come. But I wanna take you to really where this all started, man. This was my first apartment back in like 2016, 17, when I first got married to my beautiful wife, Miss Marianne in the back.
All right, Mrs. Rich.
So, yes, I lived in like this 1 bedroom. It's not even an apartment, guys. This is what you would call a efficiency. This is very popular in Miami, if you know, you know. And I used to work at this exact same Walgreens for $8.50 an hour, working the night shifts till like 1-something a.m. And that was my super nice Honda Civic. So, man, like, I know what it's like to be in a place where I didn't feel confident driving what I drove. I didn't feel confident making the money that I did. I didn't like where I lived. I was in a spot where even at that time, I was still grateful. I was still happy. And I knew that that was only temporary. So whatever situation you guys find yourselves in, just know that it is temporary and bigger things are to come. But yeah, this is me without a beard, and this is us a long time ago. Back in when I was 20 years old, they already 21, first getting married and just willing to jump in at life. You know, a lot of people are scared of commitment, right? I was somebody that was willing to commit to that special person right there the same way that I'm willing to commit to this skill set. So if there's one word I want you to take away from me, is you have to commit to something that you really, really want. All right, guys? So this is my first training event back in 2018. I want you guys to see, this was coming straight out of work. I worked at a bank from like 7:30 a.m. all the way to like 6 p.m. And I would drive an hour straight home and go straight to this event right here to start learning this skill set. And I was like, dude, I do not want to keep waking up early and working here all day and just feeling unfulfilled. I knew that I had to do what most people aren't willing to do, which was not chill when I got home. There was no time for being tired. There was no time to do what I really wanted to do, which was chill, hang out with friends, all that stuff. I said, I have to get to this event. I have to start learning how to do this thing. And so you can see us literally here first week back in 2018 studying videos. I'm here meme mugging, you can see right there. And man, we were taking notes, watching videos, all the same things that we preach to do to each and every single one of you guys. You know, when you step into Akashx, we all do that work. Every trader, every leader does the groundwork of watching videos, taking notes, and just being a student. And this is the most important thing, guys, is surrounding yourself with mentorship, surrounding yourself with people that have the things that you want. I was manifesting here, right? You saw the place I was living at, right? I was driving to a 50-floor condo that's literally across the street. This exact condo is literally right across the street. And I was like, dude, I literally cannot imagine how I'm gonna be able to afford living in a place like this. I don't know how I'm gonna ever actually achieve this lifestyle, but I was just faith, it's just all faith, all belief, just being stubborn to say if this person did it and they're sitting next to me right now, all I gotta do is listen and do what they do. So, guys, this guy hit my first rank in MLM back in 2018. And I want to show you this really quickly, guys, because you have to understand that how many people here are this person or have somebody in your team that are like, I'll start building when I'm good at trading. Golly, man, I hate when people tell me that, bro. Listen, I was the person that said, I know I'm gonna make trading happen. I know I'm gonna be successful. So why am I gonna wait to tell people about it when I'm successful when I can take you along for the ride from day one? And here's the thing, if you even have 1 ounce of doubt that you're gonna make this trading thing happen, it won't happen for you. And you're gonna feel the doubt, but you have to absolutely deny it at all costs. You have to be literally delusional about your goal. It's the only way to do it. There's not many people in the world, percentage-wise, that do trading successfully. So it is already delusional for you to think you're gonna become a diamond, a legend, a successful trader. But that's who we are. We're the delusional people that are gonna make it happen. Am I right? Yes, sir. All right, I'm gonna give you the secret. 2 things you gotta do. Number 1 is trade during red folder news, and the second is to risk your whole account per trade. Can y'all do that?
A live review.
A live review. 8 to 8.5. Around there.
Ah, what's up, man? It's pretty good.
It's good, yeah, it's very good. This is a classic spot.
Yeah.
That's what it is. This is a classic spot. But it ain't like heat.
Have you seen Poppy Steak? Right there.
That's different level.
Is it? I mean, I heard it's kind of like middle. I wanted medium.
It's the theatrics. The scenery.
The experience.
This is a conservative establishment. That's like Miami Flex.
Have you been to Poppy Steak?
Hell no, because I know I'm gonna overpay for some mid shit.
Where?
All these goobers
Goobers?
that wanna go and they're like,
Oh yeah. That's what they
dumbass. You pay like 5 racks for that dumbass. Grown ass man go to that place just to get a briefcase. Like you win the $1 million briefcase on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Yeah.
Grown ass man, by the way.
I was telling Marianne to get a briefcase on eBay, bro, and just put a stake in there and do
They had the smoke coming out of it.
Pay me a rack, I'll do that shit for right now.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, that's
I'll give you guys the puppy stick experience at the house.
Mommy steak.
Y'all want to go to puppy stick? We got that at home.
Give you Mommy steak, though. I don't mind paying for something that's like worth it, but like if you're gonna finesse me with a light show, hell no.